Hey Gospel fam, welcome to my first product review. This is Chris here from Gospel Progressions University, and today I've got a product review I'm actually excited about. It's the Phenyx Pro PTM-10, a professional UHF wireless monitor inner ear system. Full disclosure, Phenyx Pro did send me this unit for a review, and if you decide to purchase this using my links down below, you won't pay anything extra, but you'll be supporting this channel. Thanks in advance. All right, let's dive in. Now let's talk about the PTM-10's standout features. Impressive wireless range, up to about 160 feet of clear, reliable audio. For gospel musicians and singers moving freely around stages or larger sanctuaries, this is huge. Flexible antennas, you won't worry about them snapping off. 89 selectable UHF frequencies, meaning if your local wireless environment is noisy, church Wi-Fi, wireless mics, grandma's Bluetooth hearing aids, you can quickly switch channels for a clear reception. The transmitter itself feels rock solid. It has a metal casing, professional looking, rack mountable. Now the receiver packs are plastic, but honestly, I own more expensive Sennheiser wireless packs that are also plastic, and it's really not a deal breaker. I tested these extensively at my church for about 2 weeks, and here's the feedback. The singers absolutely love them. Our lead singer was particularly amazed, and she was no longer straining her voice, and she didn't lose her voice by the end of the service. You gospel singers know how taxing Sundays can be, especially when you're leading worship and delivering solos. As the main musician and also the audio guy, yours truly, the PTM-10 was a game changer. I finally was able to not have to use the floor wedges for at least one of the singers and the lead singer. And those things are bulky. Inevitably, we'd like to get rid of them and like to get rid of the cables as well. It actually simplified the mix a whole lot more. And if you mix live music at your church, you know how valuable a clean stage and a clean sound can be. Setup wise, it was fairly straightforward. I took two mono aux outputs from our Behringer X32 digital console and then fed them into the PTM-10 transmitter. You can then adjust the receiver packs accordingly. But heads up, the PTM-10 does not come with XLR cables, so you'll need your own. Personally, I grabbed a 3-foot XLR cable and a male XLR to 1/4-inch cable adapter from Amazon. It would have been nice if Phenyx included those cables instead of the earphones, but hey, when you're getting geared to review, maybe I'm just being a little picky. Now, let's get down to some of the minor challenges. Initially, figuring out how to get the two separate mixes to the two body packs was not immediately obvious. It turns out the trick is to set the transmitter to stereo and put your receiver packs in mono and then pan left or right for each mix. This took me a minute to figure out, a couple of weeks, but it worked out well once it was all dialed in. Battery life? Well, it's wireless, so naturally it chews through AA batteries pretty fast, especially on long rehearsal days or multiple Sunday services. Here's a pro tip: invest in rechargeable AA batteries and save yourself headaches and money. Here's a weird one. When I connected the PTM-10 transmitter to my trusty Focusrite Scarlett 18920 audio interface, the noise was overwhelming. I mean, serious static. It was like trying to listen to what I was playing through AM radio static from 1987. Luckily, it was just a compatibility issue. I tested it with an M audio interface, a Presonus Audio Box i1, and our Behringer X32, and guess what? Crystal clear. I don't know what the Scarlett's deal was, but if you're using one, you might want to test it first. And the one I had was for the first generation. I bought this back in 2016. But thankfully, since our main church system uses the X32, this really isn't an issue for me. So what's the bottom line? Honestly, for the price point, the Phenyx Pro PTM-10 gives you fantastic wireless range, reliable sound quality, easy setup once you know the tricks, and an overall great value. If you're a gospel musician, a worship leader, or church sound engineer on a budget, and you're looking to upgrade into buying wireless monitoring, this is generally a solid buy. Just remember, upgrade those earphones, buy your cables, and get rechargeable batteries, and double check your interfaces. Again, if you're interested, please use my affiliate links below. It costs you nothing extra, and it helps support Gospel Progressions University. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know if you've tried the Phenyx Pro gear. If you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. God bless.